here we have a guest today. She's helping me. Her name is Paola. She's gonna help me to assemble the bed. So we are using a special technique. That's this one. We are not gonna tie the bolt here on the support on the corner. We put this slit, wooden slit before because it's much easier, and then we are gonna tie everything. Okay, Paola is gonna explain to you. Go.
So, what do I do next? You're the one who's telling me what to do. So
Come.
put it in here.
You're in the
right?
video, so you have to put that in the corner
Alright,
in.
put this one in.
So we put the corner in first, but we don't tie it with the screws because now it's gonna be too hard to put all the pieces. And we start to do one by one, like that. But this one has to be in, but not all the way. It has to be like, maybe even all the way, but it's gonna be loose because you don't put this bolt until the end.
How about I videotape while you do?
Okay, so the best way is to do it like this. You put it first on the outside, and remember to put the nuts here so they hold the structure, because as soon as you push it with the wood, the structure is gonna open over there and over here. Over here. So you put the nuts. You don't tie it very well, but you leave it loose. So this one can open a little bit, but it's not gonna open all the way. Okay, so now we do this one.
I'll put this next one.
Okay, so now we do this one. You see, we put it the other side, and we're just gonna press here. Some are really easy, some are more difficult because it depends how the plastic is. So like this, they go in easy. See that? You don't have to make it, because I still push here a lot when I put it in, but because I have the nuts there on the corner, it's not gonna open. If I don't put the nuts there, every time I push, the whole structure is gonna open, and I have to start from zero. Straight like this, it's pretty fast, pretty good. So, as you can hear, today is the 4th of July, and people is having fun outside. I'm assembling a bed for you guys on YouTube. So left and right. See, it's very fast. How many we put already? 5? Left and right. Because the one in the center is more flexible. That's why I do that. It's easier to open and put the, I don't know the name, zook inside. And I have even one that's broken. So use it reverse. Okay, let's say this is gonna break. Let's put it at the end. This is the weak one. 1, 2, 3. See, look at those. Those are even custom made. 1, 2, 3. So you know you can use it like that. This one is gonna break for sure because it doesn't have the natural tension. Okay, now we can tie it. So you need a wrench here. You need your Allen key. I think this is a 6mm. Obviously, because this is made in China, so they use millimeter. And that's all you're gonna do. So once you tie it here, you're fine. This is not gonna move anymore. Then you can start to tie it the rest. And it's done. Now we're gonna show you how to put the feet and to finish with this super project. Super. Even Cookie likes it. No, Cookie? You like the bed, no? Yes. Say yes. Oh yes, Cookie likes it. Approved it. Approved it. Okay, we were talking about doing so what we are gonna use. See, I wanted to show you that the number here is number 5. Okay, you see that? So it's a number 5 Allen, and then we're gonna use an adjustable wrench for the inside. Let me show you. Okay, this is the adjustable wrench that you're gonna use to hold the nut while you turn. And that's it. That's what we're gonna do today. So now we tied all the 4 corners, and then we're gonna start to put the feet. And there are those guys. There are 4 feet on the corner and other support feet. Yeah, they're gonna go those spots. We're gonna show you later. The first feet. So it's gonna mount here. We're gonna mount it with the screws like that at the bottom. Obviously you have to adjust.
Okay, hold on.
the hole.
That's gonna fall.
Exactly, don't make me follow my leg because it's gonna be painful. So you adjust it, and then you put the screws and the nuts in the bottom. I have to leave my phone because I have to help, because I feel that this bed is gonna fall on my leg and it's gonna kill my
Okay, why don't you?
knee. That's the problem when you don't have a tripod and you have to hold your cell phone. If you don't push this, I cannot put the nut. Push it, keep it pushed, please. Thank you. Gonna put the nut in the bottom. Right there. Where's the second one? Here. Keep hold. This one. This one. And we put the nut in the bottom. Here I put the nut. Those nuts are auto. Once you get the wrench, no, the Allen wrench, and you tie it to the top, actually the nut is gonna tighten itself automatically. Okay, I don't have to show you that, but that's how you put the feet. Now we put the regular feet. How beautiful they look like. And we still have 5 support feet, like that, and there is another one there. And they go here, and we're gonna show you in a little while. They have their own screws because they are self-threaded, and they are gonna go over there. Very simple. And this one, they are for support. There are 3 in the center and 2 on the top and one on the other side of the bed.
Which one do we
I'm gonna
put
show you
first?
anyone. It's the
The
same.
middle one? Anyone?
It's the same because you just start to put one. Okay, just remember there are 2 sizes. The small size is for here because this is narrow. The bigger size is for here because this is larger, you can see. So this is the big size. You see that it fit here. Now you don't see, but trust me. And instead, so there are 2 big and 3 smaller. See, this is the big one and this is this narrow one. Okay. Actually, there are 3 large ones because there are 3 in the center, 2 and 3 here, and 2 narrow. 1 here and 1 in the top. You see, and as you see, to put the one in the center, lower, you can lower, so we can show. To put the one in the center, we have to tilt the bed because if not, it will not be possible to do that. And here it is. Our bed is done. This is just gonna be a bed for who else? But you see, it's pretty simple, cheap, so you can keep one of those in the house and assemble it when you need it, when you have visitors or friends coming over, or your kids, they invite somebody, or you have a lot of space. I don't know. Goodbye.